Hey guys, how's it going? It's your man Daniel Wiafe coming at you from my office on four wheels, my Lexus, just up here at the courthouse, actually looking up probates and doing some work to find some leads. Yes. But hey, today we're going to talk about marketing and finding, and a very unique way of finding seller leads and new inventory. Before we get into that, you guys, I want you to do a few things for me. Number one, I want you to go ahead and like this video. Number two, I want you to go ahead and comment in the comments area and let me know your name. Let me know what city you're from. Let me know whether you've done a deal or not, okay? And then number three, I also want you to subscribe to my channel. And so click the little button that is to the lower right hand corner of the screen if you're watching this on your computer to subscribe to my latest videos as they come through. Okay, so go ahead and do that. And then if you are looking for somebody to coach you, teach you, mentor you on how to flip houses and build a six-figure business this year, make sure you go to houseflippingdojo.com/apply. houseflippingdojo.com/apply. Okay, but without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about using internet marketing to find seller leads. Okay, so we all know that most real estate investors, wholesalers, rehabbers use bandit signs, they use direct mail, they use postcards. Some folks go door knocking, other folks do a lot of JV deals, okay, which is fine, okay? Those methods, they all work to one degree or less, okay? Some work better in different markets than others, okay? But one niche of marketing, you guys, which is underrepresented, is internet marketing. Okay, if you can figure out the secret sauce to using internet marketing, you guys, to find seller leads, then I'm telling you the truth, you have pretty much unlocked a gold mine. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 tips on what you need to do if you want to use internet marketing to find seller leads. All right, the beautiful thing about using the internet for finding seller leads, you guys, is number one, most other investors are not technically savvy enough to know how to use that. Okay, so that pretty much wipes away a ton of the competition that's out there. Okay, you have fewer people competing for those leads. Okay, and then number two, what's beautiful about it as well, you guys, is homeowners and people that are looking to sell their properties quickly, they're turning to the internet to find a solution to their problem. Okay, so I mean, this is pretty much a perfect storm, you guys, and whoever uses this secret sauce, you guys, is pretty much going to have an advantage over other investors in their market. Okay, so 3 things. Okay, so number one, Google AdWords. Okay, I'm going to say this again, Google AdWords. All right, Google AdWords, you guys, is a pay per click system that you can use to immediately get on the first page of Google. Okay, and so what you're going to want to do, you guys, is have a simple website with a simple squeeze page. Okay, a squeeze page is just simply a little thin page which basically tells people, hey, this is the one action I want you to take. Okay, so maybe your one action is you want the homeowner to call you, or you want the homeowner to enter in their name, their email address, their property address, and send it to your email, and then you contact them back. Okay, regardless, you guys, you should have a simple website. Okay, and you can get a simple website at Investor Carrots. You can use a Freedom Soft website. You can build your own website. You can use Lead Propeller. It doesn't really matter what you use, okay? But just use something that's going to give you a simple website, okay? And then you're going to go to Google AdWords. You're going to set up an account, okay? And you're going to want to make sure that you target the account to your city, okay? Make sure you target to your city and not the whole United States, all right? And then you're going to target keywords that people are searching for, okay? One popular keyword I can give you that I'm not going to give to everybody. I'm not going to give everybody all the keywords that we use for our students. But one thing I can give you for free, you guys, is We Buy Houses. Okay, you can use We Buy Houses Philadelphia if you live in Philadelphia. We Buy Houses in Miami if you live in Miami. And you're going to get leads that way. Okay, and then you're going to have a little ad that you write up that says, need to sell your house fast in Philadelphia? Contact Daniel at this number or this website address, okay? And then basically you want them to click the ad and go to your website, okay? And that's it, okay? You just want them to call you or text you or send you an email, and then you contact them back, all right? Second thing that you can do, you guys, all right, is YouTube videos, all right? So just as I have this this phone in front of me and I'm recording myself, you can do that as well, okay? So record yourself as you're looking at properties. Record yourself as you're driving for dollars. Record yourself as you're calling up seller leads. Record yourself as you're talking with sellers or buyers, okay? Any type of real estate activity that you're doing, you guys, record yourself, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to upload that to YouTube, all right? And then you want to use keywords such as we buy houses Philadelphia in the title tags, all right, and in the description tags of that YouTube video. And then you want to make sure that you put your phone number behind that title tag where it says something to the effect of we buy houses Miami, call 555-5555 right now, okay? And then what happens is YouTube videos get picked up very, very quickly by Google, okay, in their first page rankings, all right? So when somebody does a search for We Buy Houses Philadelphia, your YouTube video will pop up there, right? And it'll stand out because it's a video, okay? It'll stand out from the other website properties that are on the first page of Google, and then it'll say We Buy Houses Philadelphia, call this phone number, okay? And what will happen is many times people that are looking to sell their houses, you guys, will just call you straight off of that YouTube video that they see, okay, on the search listings, all right? The beautiful thing about using YouTube, you guys, is it's free, okay? Now, it may take you some time for your YouTube video to get ranked. It may take you 2 days, 3 days, maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, okay? But it's free leads which will come in, okay? Last but not least, you guys, one thing that you can do to get internet leads is use a company called ZBuyer, okay? ZBuyer.com, all right? Usually you can buy leads for a subscription rate. Usually it's about $100 to $200 a month or something to that effect. And then they have a website which generates leads, okay, of people wanting to sell their house fast for cash, okay? And then what you're going to do is as soon as you get those leads from zbuyer.com, you want to call them back as quickly as possible, okay? Matter of fact, you guys, any type of internet lead that you get, call them back as quickly as possible, okay? And sell the appointment, okay? But make things happen, you guys, all right? Those are 3 ways that you can use the internet to give yourself a serious advantage in your city and make 6 figures in real estate investing. Whether you're wholesaling, whether you're rehabbing, whether you're looking to build up your rental portfolio, you guys, you can use these strategies to find inventory, okay? So go ahead, you guys, like this video. Go ahead and share this video with somebody on Facebook. Go ahead and comment in the comments area. And if you are needing information, you're needing help this year, and you want to create a business that creates you 6 figures, $100,000 plus a year in wholesaling or real estate, apply now to work with me. Go to houseflippingdojo.com/apply. houseflippingdojo.com/apply. Peace and God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.